And here we are at one of our projects, and this is their iMac. This is the board we put in, and also the switcher and some patching on that side. And this is the short throw projectors and screens that just went in. As you see right there, you can see the TT52s and the VSA 2050s on each side, and then we've got another screen with a BenQ short throw projector on the other side. This is the empty venue, and as we circle back around, we've got the confidence screen for words and whatever they want to put on the back so that the choir can see it, or their worship leader or band. These are all 3200 lumen BenQ short throw projectors on elite screens that are just stretched over an aluminum frame in just kind of a scene white mode. So there you have it. Trinity Productions, trinityprosound.com.